शांत बसा, बोलू नका आपापसात. Right now, working procedure. Step number 1. Step number 1. Work. Step number 1. Write down. Apart from. Step number 1. Apart from an integral power of t. Apart from an integral power of t. In the given example, apart from an integral. In the given example, treat remaining function. Treat remaining function. Treat remaining function as f of t. Treat remaining function as f of t. Step number 1. Apart from an integral power of t. In the given example, treat remaining function. Treat remaining function as f of t. This is step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 2. Step number 2. Apply multiplication by t theorem formula. Apply multiplication by t theorem formula. In order to evaluate, apply multiplication by t theorem formula in order to find Laplace transform. Apply multiplication by t theorem formula in order to find Laplace transform of given example. In order to find Laplace transform of given example. First example is t into sin 80. See here, we are going to solve first example. Solution of first. In first example, what we have? First example is t into sin 80. Now I am going to consider apart from an integral power of t. See this one. Term containing t. Apart from this one. Remaining function as a remaining function as a f. Okay. Therefore, solution is like this. Let f of t is equal to sin. F of t is equal to sin equation number 1. F of t is equal to sin equation number 1. Then Laplace of f of t is equal to Laplace of sin t is j power s plus e, which is equal to f of equation number 3. Laplace of f of t means Laplace of sin t. And Laplace of sin t is a power a square s square plus e. Next. To the new line, write down to find Laplace of t into sin a. To find Laplace of t into sin a, we have by theorem. To find Laplace of t into sin a, we have by theorem. Laplace of t into f of t. Yes. Multiplication by t is this one. Laplace of t into f of t is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 into first derivative with respect to s of f of x. For this one is equation number 3. Equation number 3. By theorem, Laplace of t into f of t is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 into first derivative is obviously. Okay, write down. Substitute equations 1 and 2. Substitute equations 1 and 2 in equation 3. Equation 1 is f of t. Equation 2 is f of s. So equations 1 and 2, equation 3 have equation 3 becomes Laplace of t into sin it because f of t is sin it. T into sin it. Laplace of t into sin it is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 is minus 1 into first derivative with respect to s of f of s. But f of s is e upon s square plus a square. That is equal to minus 1 into a because a is outside the differentiation. Because differentiation is with respect to s into d by ds of this one here into d by ds of s square plus a square bracket to the power minus 1. Is that it? Minus 1 into a into d by ds of s square plus a square bracket to the power minus 1 bracket to the power minus 1. Now we are going to differentiate that one. That is equal minus 1 into a into minus 1 that is into s square plus a square bracket to the power minus 1 minus 1. S square plus a square bracket to the power minus 1 into minus 1 into d by ds of s square plus a square into d by ds of s square plus a square is equal to minus 1 into a into minus 1 into s square plus a square bracket to the power minus 1 minus 1. Again, derivative of s square plus a square, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. That is only a into s square plus a square bracket to the power minus 1. Minus 1 means minus 2 into derivative of s square plus a square with respect to s is equal to 2s. With respect to s is equal to 2s. Then we have to Laplace of t into sin at. Therefore, Laplace of t into sin at is equal to 2as upon s square plus a square bracket square. 2as upon s square plus a square. S square plus a square bracket square, and this is what we wish to find. This is the answer. Now see here, I repeat the example number 1, its solution. What is example number 1? Example number 1 is based upon multiplication by t theorem, and it is like this: t into sin at. As per the working procedure, what we have, apart from an integral power of t, in the remaining example, the term in the example, the remaining term in the example is treated as a f of t. Means apart from t, in the first example there is a sin at, and we call sin at as a f of t. Therefore, we start the solution like this: let f of t is equal to sin at. We call that one as equation number 1. Then we take Laplace transform on both the sides of equation 1. That is Laplace transform of f of t is equal to a upon s square plus a square, because Laplace of sin at is a upon s square plus a square, which is equal to f of s. We call that one as a equation number 2. We call that one as a equation number 2. Then what is our aim? Our aim to find Laplace transform of t into sin at. To find Laplace transform of t into sin at. Then by theorem, what we have written? By theorem, we have Laplace of t into f of t. Laplace of t into f of t is equal to minus 1 to the power n into first derivative of f of s with respect to s. We call that one as a equation number 3. We call that one as equation number 3. In equation 3, we substitute equation 1 and 2. We substitute equation 1 and 2 in equation 3. Equation 1 means value of f of t. Equation 2 means value of f of s. Therefore, equation 3 becomes, on substituting equations 1 and 2 in it, then equation 3 becomes Laplace of t into sin at is equal to minus 1 into d by ds of a upon a square plus a square, and everything is on the blackboard. That is minus 1 into a is a constant because it does not depends on s outside the differentiation, into derivative of d by ds of s square plus a square bracket to the power minus 1, because the term s square plus a square goes to the numerator and its power becomes negative. Then we differentiate that one and it comes out to be minus 1 into a into minus 1 into a square plus a square bracket to the power minus 1 into derivative of a square plus a square with respect to s, and it is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, that is a into a square plus a square bracket to the power minus 2 into derivative of a square plus a square with respect to s is 2s. Therefore, Laplace transform of t into sin a t is equal to 2as upon a square plus a square bracket square. In this way, we finish this example number 1. Now, example number 2. Which one is that? T square. See, example number 2 is that t square into e to the power minus. T square into e to the power minus. See, in example number 7, apart from an integral power of t, apart from an integral power of t, we treat imaginary term as the f of t. So we call that one as a f of t. In this way, write down the solution of example number 2. Second. Number solution of number 2. Later, f of t is equal to e to the power minus equation number 1. Then means taking its Laplace transform. Laplace of f of t is equal to Laplace of f of t is equal to 1 upon s plus, isn't it? And which is equal to e of x, which is equal to e of x. We call that what is the equation number? We call that what is the Laplace of e to the power minus t is just like Laplace of e to the power e. Laplace of e to the power minus e. Laplace of e to the power minus e is 1 upon s plus a. 1 upon s plus equation number. Right now, find Laplace of t square into e to the power minus e. To find Laplace of t square into e to the power minus e, we have by theorem, Laplace of t square into f of t. We have by theorem each power का एक इनपुट है, क्या बोलते हैं theorem मतलब फॉर्मूला है. Laplace of t square into e to the power Laplace of t square into f of t is equal to minus 1 square into second differentiation with respect to s of f of. For this way, the equation to the new line right now. Substitute equation 1 and 2. Substitute equations 1 and 2. Substitute equations 1 and 2 in equation 3. Substitute equations 1 and 2 in equation 3. Here equation 3 becomes Laplace of t square into e to the power minus t. It is equal to t square into e to the power minus t. It is equal to minus 1 square into twice differentiation. Yes, of 1 now. Yes. So we are going to solve. Right. We have different values. Laplace of t square into e to the power minus t is equal to minus 1 square into the second differentiation with respect to s of 1 upon s plus 1. Now we are going to differentiate right hand side. First of all, we find this first differentiation. Then second differentiation. First differentiation is like this. Which is equal to minus 1 square. Okay, keep this one as it is. Into d by ds of c. I write first differentiation. Okay, use this formula. Here, I use the formula d by dx. 1 upon f of x. D by dx of 1 upon f of x is minus f dash of x divided by f of x bracket square. Use this one. Okay, in order to say what is f of instead of f of x, this is f of x, and its first differentiation is that minus 1, okay, divided by. So in this way, write down next. This is for differentiation. Now state the differentiation. Minus 1 square is plus 1. That is, now we are going to take second differentiation. And second differentiation is like this. 2 divided by s plus 1 bracket 2. And it is equal to 2 divided by s plus 1 bracket 2. 2 divided by s plus 1 bracket. Therefore, Laplace of t square into e to the power minus t is equal to 2 divided by s plus 1 bracket. Here this is the answer. आता एक लक्षात घ्या, क्रॉस चेक करायचा आपण कसं करायचं, आपल्याकडे एक फॉर्म्युला आहे फर्स्ट सिटिंग थेरम. Laplace of e to the power n into e to the power minus n. तो असा आहे n फॅक्टोरियल पॉवर divided by s plus e bracket e to the power n plus 1. त्याच्यामध्ये n ची किंमत 2 ठेवा, e ची किंमत 1. 2 factorial divided by s plus 1, 2 bracket to the power 2 plus 1. Right? 2 factorial means 2, 2 divided by s plus 1 bracket cube. This is the answer. Okay, in this way, we saw the second example. Dear student, due to the charging problem, I want to finish my lecture. Okay, if anybody have difficulty, then talk to me. Hello?
Okay, sir.
हा, तुमचा अनम्यूट करा, अनम्यूट करा आणि मला एका वेळेस एकच बोला. ज्यांना खरंच डिफिकल्टी त्यांनीच बोलायचं बरं का. ज्यांना डिफिकल्टीच नाही, गप्पा मारायचे विषय सोडून, त्यांनी नाही करायचं. म्यूटच करा. मग थोडस आज चार्जिंग प्रॉब्लेम आता 7% 7% राहिले, फक्त 7% चार्जिंग राहिले थोडस. तर मला समजून घ्या तुम्ही. मी होमवर्कला पण एक्झाम्पल देतो. आजचे एक्झाम्पल नोट केले 7च्या 7. तुम्ही SMS द्वारे चॅट करू शकता मला.
हो सर, केलेत नोट.
सर नो.
काय अडचण असेल तर विचारा. मी नोट्स
आम्ही लेट
कसं व्हायला माहितीये का, थोडं कॉलेजच्या कामातून नोट्स वेळ काढावा लागतो. नोट्स रेडी आहेत, मी फक्त सांगितलंय ठीक आहे आज मी टाकतो. उगा नुसतं गप्पा मारण्याचा अर्थ नाही, मी नोट्स टाकतोच आज माझ्या.
ओके सर.
हा, उगा गप्पा मारायचं सर टाकतोच मध्ये येते, टाकत तर नाही. परत असं होऊ नये की सर जे म्हणतात ते करत नाही. छाप पडून. बोला पुढे. स्टार्टिंग पासून कोण कोण लेक्चर अटेंड केले, किती जणांना लाप्लास ट्रान्सफॉर्मचे 6 प्रॉपर्टी समजलेत? नसेल तुम्ही मला ऑनलाईन बोलणार तर मला तुम्ही व्हॉट्सअप करा तुमच्या अडचणी, मी पाहतो. प्लीज मला वारंवार व्हॉट्सअप करायचं किंवा फोन करायचा प्रयत्न करा. मी लक्ष देतो, मी तुमच्या डिफिकल्टी सॉल्व्ह करतो. आजपासून मी बऱ्यापैकी फ्री आहे. आता 12:30 नंतर इतके दिवस जरा काम होतं, मी तुमचं लक्ष देतो सर्व. बरं, आता काही अडचणी आल्या का? बोर्डावर दिसत नाही वगैरे?
नाही सर, क्लिअर दिसतंय आता, आवाज पण येते.
हा, तेच म्हटलं. जरा व्यवस्थित केलंय, स्टँड वगैरे आणलाय, चांगलं व्यवस्थित केले. आणि शक्यतो मी बरं का तुम्हाला सांगतो, क्लासरूम मध्येच मी शिकवतो. मला असं टेबलवर कागद ठेवून त्याच्यावर कॅमेरा धरून शिकवायला जमत नाही बरं का. तर मला ती जमणार. हा हा, बोला. आणखी कुणाला काय बोलायचं? मला वाटतं हे सगळे साक्षीच बोलायला वाटते.
नाही सर.
आता प्रियंका पाटील एवढं उशीर आल्यावर कसं व्हायचं? लेक्चर संपत आलं की. तुम्ही सगळे झाल्यावर येत आहे हळूच. पाटील, प्रियंका तेवढा स्क्रीनशॉट काढतो आणि व्हिडिओ ओके
ओके सर.
थोडं
Okay.
समजून घ्या
Okay, sir.
चार्जिंग मुळे मोबाईल
हो,
चार्जिंग
sir.
नाही लागेल.
हो सर. सर मध्ये आलं.
तुम्ही बाकीचे एक्झाम्पल सोडवा बरं का.
हो सर.
बाकीचे एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही सोडवलेच पाहिजे. ओके. प्रज्ञा कस्तुरे काय आता काय कमाल आहे बाबा तुझं. एवढ्या उशिरा जॉईन व्हायचं. आता काय मिळणार आहे बघा. एंड झालाय.